Okay, guys, so we're almost done. I went ahead and wrote in this sentence answer for part B that a mean taxi out time of 24.22 minutes is greater than 95% of mean taxi out times for samples of 20 flights. So part C is asking us to apply that knowledge. It says based on the preceding results, and it could be talking about part A or part B. What single value should be scheduled, should be the scheduled taxi out time for each flight. Now, so we have to think about this. During the day, there are probably around 20 flights. So we're probably better off looking at the average for 20 flights versus just one single flight. Because it does tell us 36 minutes is long enough for 95% of flights, but that's selecting just a single one. We'd have to set 36 minutes for each flight. So that's quite a long time. Versus if we look at the sample mean of 20 flights, some flights are longer than others, some flights are shorter, but the mean is about 24.22 minutes. So if we schedule that 24.22 minutes, that means even though some take a little bit longer and we'll get the schedule behind, some will be shorter and will get us back to that 24.22 or somewhere around there schedule frame. So I think the best answer to this question should be that 24.22 minutes, because again, we're taking in the fact that some will be shorter and some will be longer. So I'm gonna write out that answer as well. And the last question is, do these results suggest that a scheduled taxi out time of 20 minutes is not long enough? So when we look at our normal curve, if we give 20 minutes for each one, the sample mean, 20 minutes would fall just below half. That is only going to cover less than half of our flights, right? Let me mark in here what exactly I'm talking about. 20 minutes is just below 20.8, so we're talking about something like here. The shading this way, right? We've got less than half, half of course being exactly at the mean of sample means. Taxi out times would be covered by a taxi out time of 20 minutes. So in general, we're going to be running behind. We wouldn't want to do that. So our answer is that yes, it's not long enough. Okay, so I'm going to write out those answers and then post these notes as well to help you work through as you're going through these videos. Let me know if you have any questions.